take two, as the video didn't want to do the way I wanted it to do. Alright, I just wanted to show you how easy this is. I know I'm super duper behind in some cards with being sick and trying to get on top of everything else. I haven't had much time to do crafting. Excuse the bruise, the lovely bruise I have. That is from hospital. If you don't know, I've been in hospital for 2 weeks with a ovary issue that needed to be fixed. So that's why I've been a bit quiet. But I thought I'd quickly come and show you how easy this is. It's the Cut Above card kit. It's a subscription. Hi Robin. I'm just going to show you how to put together card 1. I know some people do struggle with cards and coming up with your own designs. This is why I like this subscription set. This one is an old one, but I'm just going to show you the little tips and tricks of what it all comes with, and if you're interested, please let me know and you may be able to get the newer one. Alright, so that's the card 1. It gives you a little bit of instructions. So I'm just going to fold that. It does come with a stamp set, and it comes with an ink, and it comes with all your die cuts, all your cards, but we're going to do, you get to do 2 of each. So we're going to do the Count My Lucky Stars That Were Friends. Just pop that back over there. We'll grab that and grab. You also get a little acrylic block. You get your ink. That's what I'll be using today. And we also need the stamp. So I'm going to stamp first. And that way it gives it time. What are we doing? Count. We're doing that one. Okay. Take it off. There we go. I just put it where I want it. Roughly. Then grab my block. Unblock it. Season it up. Let's get some wheels on it. Then I'm going to grab a scrap piece of paper, just so I can, now we're going to ink it. Hopefully you can see that okay. Doesn't seem to want to, probably because it's new. I might get out my big one. Where is my big one? My intense black. Here it is. We're going to use this one. That's my go-to. Get it all nice and juicy. I'm going to do, I like to call them safety stamps. So we just give it a safety stamp before we, you see that one clearly needs more. It's not dark enough for me. Because they knew they might need a few goes. Okay, we'll try that. Try that one. Another safety stamp. It looks better from there. Yeah, that looks better for me. Alright, so now we're just going to ink it up again. Sometimes I can get away with one safety stamp. Sorry about the shaking. Okay, put the lid back on. We're going to bring that one down. Oh. Better grab me sponge. Do there. Okay, yeah, look, whoop, back up here so you guys can see. Alright, so we're going to just quickly line it up. Give it a press. And ta-da. Okay. Can you go wet that for me? Do that. I'll just put my ink away. Ooh, now everything wants to tumble. Alright. While that dries, I'm going to get out all the bits we need for card 1. Okay, so as you'll see, I'll get rid of this for a bit. As you'll see, this is the card 1 die cuts. So what we need to do, you get 2 of each design. So I'm just going to pop that one out of the way because they seem to have wanted to do that. So we're going to pop out the leaves. Just a matter of popping them out, following the guide, and it's pretty, and sticking it down, and it's done. These are good for boredom busters, holidays, lockdowns. Okay, you want to just clean that off for Mum. So that one. Okay, so they're all the bits we need for card 1. Then you can grab the instructions wherever they're gone. There they are. So there's the instructions. We've already done the stamp. See, it says stamp sentiment on card base lower right hand corner as shown. Attach the die cuts as shown. Tip, use 3D foam tape for dimension if desired. So that's what we're going to do. So what I like to do is I like to lay them out and then pop them just to make sure that's how I want them. Everybody is different. So we just pop him under. It didn't want to work. And then you pop the little yellow bit in the middle. So if you're happy with that, then you just glue it all down. So I'm going to push it aside and I'm going to grab some liquid glass. I'm just going to put a little dot there. Just put the lid back on that one so it doesn't dry out. And I'm going to put my dot on. So that's done, and then I'm going to pop it on here with some tape, which I'm going to use my squares from my shaker cards. So we're just going to, put 2 or 3 on. Oops, you can't see. Probably just need 2. Okay, so I just use 2 of those. Take off I am doing it a little slower just so you can follow along. And now we're just going to line that up to where we might want it. That adds a bit of 3D. As you can see, it's just raised up a little. So that's the flower done. So now we'll just place that on there. So we can do that. Careful not to do, so we've got that there, which I might put more 3D on the back. That is the back. More tape. My daughter's with me in the room doing her own crafting, so she's trying to help me put everything away so we don't end up losing it. Which I've already lost one little stamp set. It was an alphabet set. L. And it was the L. We still haven't found it. So I'm just going to place my, what are you doing? Just going to place that down. That way, then all I need to do is work out where my leaves are going. I might just put a little bit of glue on the back and put them down. So we want a big one now and a little one. What we might do is that too. I might just, okay, what are we going to use? Oh yeah, we can use the tape runner. Tape runner. Go up here, just a bit of tape runner. And then just pop him under a little bit on it. And give it a push down. And we'll do the same with the little one. Hi, Laura. And just pop another one. And then we do the same to the other side. Bit of tape runner. And there you go. That is the card 1 complete. So you just give it a fold over. I do use my bone folder just to give it a bit more of a press down. And there you go. Here you've got the 3D, how the 3D foam tape raised it up a little. And that's that. So that one's now ready to post away. You do also get the envelopes. You also get the envelopes to go with the card. So you really don't need much other than some 3D foam tape, journaling pen, and some time to get these done. So I'm thinking maybe a yellow. You get, I'm going to put the yellow card with that one. So basically that one's ready to go out to a lucky person. So that's the first card. And each set comes with, what was it? 12 cards. You get to do 12 cards. They're all the different cards you get to do in the subscription. Like every subscription is different. This one is no longer available, but I just thought I'd show you how easy it is to put together with the die cuts and some adhesive. I did use liquid glass. You don't have to use liquid glass. You could have just used your tape runner. But yeah, it's a great way to pass the time if you happen to get locked down or you just need to get some cards done to add to your card stash. If you'd like to know more, please let me know. I could even show you the latest subscription available. This one is called the Cut Above Card Kit. But yeah, so you've also, in these you got happy birthday, thank you kindly, thank yous. Like I said, everyone is different. Every subscription is different. And you do get a stamp set with every subscription. And you also get other bits and bobs, like you get, let me have a look, I'll just bring the box over. You get all your cards. You've got your shaker windows and acetate. You also get, like, this one you got the star confetti. You also get a little thing, like a little card. Be your own kind of beautiful. Everyone is different. There's a little note in there. So I like them because if you want to do some craft and you don't want to think too hard, these are pretty good. So, alright then guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to pack this up a little bit. I'm going to have some lunch and then I might do some more cards. It is a Sunday, so it's a lazy day Sunday. Alright then guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on another live soon. Bye.